Life in chemical engineering, and really life in general, is full of ups and downs. Today we're going to explore something every student faces: disappointment. The failed quiz, the experiment that doesn't work, the dreams that seem to crumble. But here's the thing about setbacks. They're not the end of your story. They're just the beginning of your comeback.
Well, that's it. I'm terrible at this. Maybe I should have majored in something easier. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. This is supposed to be purple by now. Nothing worked. The whole experiment is ruined. I'm going to have to redo this entire thing, and I already spent 2 hours here.
Because I've been where you are, Lazlo. Actually, I'm still there sometimes. Everyone messes up. The difference isn't whether you fail, it's what you do after. Do you see failure as a dead end or as information? Failure isn't final, it's feedback.
Can I share something? I bombed the last quiz. Like, really bombed it. And I felt like I was the only one struggling. Wait, you cried? I'm not alone in this. Can I join the group chat? B+. I got a B+. Everything changed. I actually studied. Like, really studied. Went to office hours twice. Worked through 10 extra problems. Joined the study group. It's working. It's actually working. You know what's weird? The experiment that failed taught me more than this one that worked. Because I had to figure out why. Yeah, come in. I'm Lazlo. Bad quiz. I felt exactly the same way a month ago. Got a C-, failed a lab experiment, thought about dropping out. But this group helped me turn it around. Let's look at your quiz. Where did things get confusing? You know what's funny? I'm actually grateful for that C- now. It made me change how I approach everything. I'm a better student and probably a better person because of it.
That's resilience, Lazlo. And honestly, that's one of the most important skills you'll learn in engineering school. More important than any equation. The people who succeed aren't the ones who never fail. They're the ones who fail, learn, and keep going. Remember, setbacks aren't the opposite of success. They're part of it. Every engineer's story includes disappointments that became breakthroughs. Your comeback story is just beginning.